Jamaica has closed incoming air and seaports due to COVID-19. Now, before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be updated each time we upload. Now, let's jump into the story. Effective 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, March 21st, Jamaica air and seaports will be closed to incoming passenger traffic as a part of the efforts to limit the spread of the coronavirus in the island. The measure is for a period of 14 days in the first instance. Incoming and outgoing cargo as well as outgoing passengers will be allowed. The announcement was made this afternoon by the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, whom indicate that Jamaica now has 19 confirmed cases of COVID-19, that's the coronavirus, in Jamaica, with 1 death. This is up from 16 cases reported on Tuesday. So guys, this is getting more serious and the government has taken precautions to really get this thing under control. I must commend the Ministry of Health and also the Prime Minister. I think they're doing their very best to keep the nation updated and also trying to find the best solutions to the problem that we have at hand. Now guys, please leave your comments below and let me know if you think that the government should have closed the borders before today, which is March 21st, or he had waited too long. This should have been done before. Big up on yourself. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Please remember to sanitize, keep clean. And this is the Sauna room where we keep you updated about everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.